Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Angus here to talk you through the weather forecast across the nation for Wednesday the 19th of March. And there will be a lot more rain around Queensland in particular on Wednesday, and we will also see areas of rain pop up across other parts of northern Australia as well as through parts of the interior as well. Meanwhile, across most southern areas it will be another day of fine and mostly sunny weather, getting quite warm particularly across the southeast. For Queensland though, rain will be a very prominent feature, and we have actually seen a heavy rain warning issued across the northeast coast from Cardwell down to Ayr, and that does include Townsville. So persistent falls through the day there tomorrow may lead to areas of flash flooding or riverine flooding across that northeast coast. While the heaviest falls are expected near the coast, that's far from the only place seeing rain, with widespread showers and storms across the northern half of the state, north of Longreach. For southern parts of Queensland, there could be one or two light showers across the east coast, but it will be dry and sunny inland. Warming up across New South Wales on Wednesday as northerly winds kick in. Nothing strong with regards to the winds, but they will pull those warmer temperatures down from the north. We could see a few showers and possibly even storms around the mountain ranges and the western districts through Wednesday, although dry and sunny weather is anticipated along the east coast. For Canberra, you're sort of right on the edge of where we could see that rainfall, so a possible evening shower for you there, 30 degrees otherwise. Down to Victoria, northerly winds also starting to warm the temperatures up through this region. Most of the state between 5 and 10 degrees warmer than is seasonal for this time of year. We could start off the morning with a little bit of fog here and there. That will burn off quite quickly, and then it will be sunny for the remainder of the day. With breezy conditions and warm temperatures, we anticipate high fire danger ratings through central and western parts of Victoria. A clear, sunny, fine, calm day across Tasmania. Not much more needs to be said than that, so I'll just point out a couple of temperatures. The warmest spots across the state look to be Swansea and Huonville at 27, but many other centres not far behind. And it's a day where we see high to extreme fire danger across almost all of the agricultural areas in southern parts of South Australia. And you can really feel why if you're spending time outdoors, because of course it is hot. It's another very dry day across South Australia, but we'll also see those winds starting to pick up across these southern areas. There is the chance of a thunderstorm in the very far north or the very far west, but not much rain is anticipated, even if those storms do come through. Now, a little bit of a different story here in the west. Southerly winds actually starting to develop across the southern half of the state, and that'll mean that temperatures are around about 4 or 5 degrees cooler than what they have been on Tuesday. A few showers likely along the south coast, just low rainfall totals, and none of those showers are expected to reach Perth. Meanwhile, across northern WA, we'll see a few showers and storms sort of scattered across northern and inland areas, but in any individual one location, probably only a 30% chance of seeing rainfall. And showers and storms continue across the top end, particularly the eastern top end and around the Gulf Coast here. But we'll see spots of wet weather, particularly through the second half of the day, spreading out towards Darwin, down through the Kimberley, and potentially even through the northern interior of Western Australia and the western districts of the Northern Territory. Temperatures are dropping a little bit elsewhere, but still a couple of degrees above average. So see what the rest of the week has in store on the Bureau's website or app. Thanks for watching and have a nice afternoon.